This video is going to cover how to combine documents into a single PDF, and this one's going to be a little bit longer than the next one because we'll stop along the way to call out different pieces of advice that are helpful, but won't be as relevant in a shorter video as you repeat this process over and over again. As I covered in a previous video, we're not actually combining all of our documents together at once, we're actually combining section by section, or in this case, folder by folder. To combine these documents together, we're going to use Adobe Acrobat DC. That's installed through Adobe Creative Cloud. If you don't have Adobe Creative Cloud or Adobe Acrobat installed on your computer, please call the service desk and ask for assistance and advice on how to do that. I'm just going to open up Adobe Acrobat, and again, I want to emphasize we're looking for Adobe Acrobat Pro DC or Adobe Acrobat Pro, Adobe Acrobat DC. It goes by a couple of different names depending on the version that may already be installed on your computer, but what's most important is that you don't want to use Acrobat Reader. Acrobat Reader does not let you edit PDFs in the way that we need. Once this is open, what I want you to do is click on the Tools tab in the top left corner, and then on the next screen, look for the Combine Files option. It'll open up this window. Now, if this is your first time using Acrobat Pro DC or combining files within this app, it's going to be defaulted to the thumbnail view. I don't like the thumbnail view, the reason being that it generates a preview of every single page of every single document that I say I want to combine, and it makes my computer run really slowly. Not only that, it cuts off the file names so I can't actually see what is where, and it makes it harder for me to make sure that things are in the order that I want. So I like to switch over to list view before doing anything else. That means that it saves my computer from generating all of those page thumbnails, and it also means that I can see clearly what file is in what order. Now from here, I can either click Add Files and Add Files again in the menu that opens. I can click the big Add Files button and go and grab those documents as if I were attaching them to an email. Or if I have a folder open in the background, I can just select the files that I'd like to combine and drag them into this window. Now, if these don't happen to be in the order that I want, I can just click and drag them. Like I want my cover page on top, or there are also move up and move down buttons if you want more granular control or if you're having trouble getting something into a very particular spot. From here, I can see the names of the files on the left and the names of the bookmarks on the right. The bookmark is the exact same as the file name minus the extension, in this case, .pdf. If you see anything in the warnings or errors column, like an ISO error, you can pretty much ignore that. The only errors that I would concern myself with would be corrupted files or password protected documents. If it is a password protected document, you'll need the password to unlock it as part of the combination process. Once these are in the order that you want, you'll click Combine. One heads up I want to give you before you click Combine is that if you have something like a Word, PowerPoint, or Excel document, in other words, any document that's not a PDF, you may see the application for that document open up in the background because it's going to convert it to a PDF as part of the combination process. So in this case, you may see Word bounce up in my doc because I have a Word document in here that needs to be converted to PDF before the combination. And now I have my combined document.